start. So our today's topic is tenses. ठीक है, अच्छे से सुनना. Then I'll ask you questions side by side. Today we'll do present tense. Okay, present tense. First tense is present tense. Please note down, and you have to do in your fair notebook also. Okay. Now I'm going to write some examples. Then you will make the rule. Okay. So first type is simple present tense. Simple present tense. She goes to school daily. Write down, please, beta. Give him one pencil or pen, please. Extra. They live in Jalandhar. Somil, you can ask your question if you have. Somil.
मैम आंसर देने के लिए किया था.
Okay, first of all, please note down the examples, then I'll tell you. Anshuman, you are finally here. Yes, Anshuman.
मैम ये एग्जांपल करने हैं, साथ में लिखने हैं.
यस बेटा, आपको करने हैं. और अंशुमन प्लीज अपना व्हाट्सएप रीड करो. आपकी एक्टिविटीज पेंडिंग आज इवनिंग तक मेरे को मिल जानी चाहिए बेटा. Otherwise, I have to give you 0. Okay, so please read the sentences and you have to make a rule yourself. She goes to school daily. First of all, notice these things. What is this? Daily. Next one is they live in Jalandhar. Third one is he gets full marks every time. Now, first of all, please try to make the rule. Which form of verb I have used here? Which form of verb I have used in 3 sentences? Okay, well done. I have used first form of verb. Now try to just see, observe the things clearly. How many persons are there? 1. How many are there? This is 1, this is many. So what is the difference between the verbs? In the first one, I have used S or ES, and in the second one, I haven't used S or ES. So what is your rule? First form of verb and S and ES with singular. Yes, well done. S or ES with singular. Now you have to remember 2 bad words. There are 2 bad words जो कोई rule नहीं मानते. I and you. I and you, they are the singular, but they will never follow the rule. वो हमेशा किसका rule लेते हैं? Plural का. S or ES with singular. S or ES with singular. And there are 2 bad words, I and you, remember. They always follow the rule of plural. They are singular themselves. वो खुद singular है, पर वो rule किसका follow करते हैं? Plural का. So there is no S or ES with I and you. So this was the rule. अब question ये है कि हम ये use कब करते हैं? Simple present tense. जब हमने कौन सी बात करनी होती है हम इसको use करते हैं. Obviously present, simple present, present continuous, present perfect, all are present. Then what is special in this tense? When do we use it? Anyone? Yes, excellent. See this word daily. So the things that we do daily, maybe every Sunday, maybe every month, जो हमारी एक routine बन जाती है. Okay? Then we use this tense, simple present tense. You got it, everyone? After 2-3 tenses, I will ask you questions, so get ready for that. Simple present tense is used when we have to talk about routine or habit. किसी को कोई habit हो या उसका routine work हो. I meet my grandmother every week. Okay? I meet him every month. So this is your routine, this is your habit. आप ये करते हो. ठीक है? Now please note down 3 things. Number 1 is routine. Number 2 is habit. And number 3 is fact. Is there anyone who can tell me what is fact? Fact क्या होता है? Yes. For example, okay, think about it. Then I'll ask Harshika. Harshika, what is fact?
Fact means which is fixed. हम जो को हम बदल नहीं सकते. Like sun rises from the east.
Yes. So fact is the truth that cannot be changed. जो science ने already prove कर दिया हुआ है. Some truths that cannot be changed and they have been proven by science. अब science ने prove कर दिया that earth revolves around the sun. तो फिर से इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Fact. तो fact में क्या यूज होता है? Simple present tense. Now you got it? Simple present tense clear है सबको? One is I'll ask you ये कहाँ पे यूज होता है? Routine, habit, fact. Then I'll ask you the rule also. First form of verb and s or es with the singular. सबको clear है? Ramanpreet? Okay. Ekansh, do you have any doubt in simple present tense? Then we'll move to present continuous tense. Yes, please.
No, ma'am, no doubt.
No doubt. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, in simple present tense, we use SES.
S or yes with singular only. Singular. With one person. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So next one is present continuous tense. Please note down. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Now keep this thing in mind. Continuous word देखते ही आपके दिमाग में एक चीज आनी चाहिए ing. Whenever you see this word continuous, one thing must be there. होनी जो मर्जी हो जाए. Rithmenur, are you listening, beta? Okay, I'll ask you a question after this. So continuous देखते ही आपके मन में क्या आना चाहिए? ing. Continuous ing. सोचो ये ब्रदर्स हैं. Continuous और इनको कोई अलग नहीं कर सकता. Continuous and ing. Now I am writing something, then you have to make rule. First one is learning a lesson. So these are the sentences. I am learning a lesson. She is walking in the park. They are dancing happily. बेटा ऑफलाइन से मैंने बहुत क्वेश्चन पूछी. Let them ask now online. Yes, Sana. Sana, make the rule.
Ma'am, first form of verb plus ing.
First form of verb V1 plus ing and now notice the sentences. There is something in the sentence.
Ma'am,
Yes, Adnan. There is one is, there is am, and there is are. So is, am.
yes, ma'am. Are.
So continuous means ing, and only if it is present tense you will write is, am, are. अब फिर से वही क्वेश्चन, when do we use it? कब यूज करते हैं इसको? Now I'm writing something. I'm writing something with these things. After lesson, write down now. Okay? Here, at this time. At this time. यहाँ पे at this moment. Moment भी time ही होता है, right now. Now imagine कब use होता है? Second last. हाँ जी बेटा. जो एक्शन हमारे सामने right now. Well done. Okay. Yes, Disha. Disha, what is your answer?
मैम इसका
बेटा when do we use it? Present continuous.
मैम is ing.
That is done बेटा. I am asking कब use करते हैं? Okay, now listen to me very carefully. We use it when we are talking about the action which is going on right now. अभी आपके सामने, मे बी आपके सामने नहीं, जो अभी हो रहा है. ठीक है? They are walking in the park right now. They are walking in the park now. It is raining now. तो अभी कुछ हो रहा है आपके सामने में. चलिए हम फटाफट सेंटेंस बनाते हैं orally. What I am doing right now? Full sentence. You are teaching a. Okay, fine. What you people are doing? Yes. Okay. Okay. So find out something. There is someone in the park. What he is doing? Okay, Raymond, what are you doing right now? Yes, Raymond.
Ma'am, I am listening you.
I am listening to you. Okay. So right now something is happening. Then we use present continuous tense. You got it, everyone? Okay. Now I'm moving to the next one. That is present perfect tense. बस जल्दी से खत्म हो जाए, फिर मैंने आपका टेस्ट लेना छोटा सा. आई एम वेटिंग, जल्दी से हो जाए बस. Now third one is present perfect tense. परफेक्ट का मतलब कोई बता सकता है? What is perfect? रूल नहीं बता रहा, नॉर्मल वर्ड परफेक्ट. यस निष्ठा. परफेक्ट मीन्स कुछ सही होना. ओके, यस. 100% करेक्ट. किसी कंप्लीट चीज को परफेक्ट कह सकते हैं? यस. ओके, आई विल टेल यू नाउ. So next tense is present perfect tense. So what is the meaning of perfect? Complete. When you complete your work, teachers say that perfect, right? Yes. So perfect means the action which is completed. कोई completed action को use करने के लिए क्या करते हैं? Present perfect tense. Now perfect means, alone perfect means V3, third form of verb. Now I'm writing the examples. First of all, read the sentences. First one is, okay, they have already paid their fine. Okay, now my question is, किसकी टर्न नहीं आई? Okay, Prithvi Noor will make the rule. Yes, Prithvi. बेटा कौन सी फॉर्म यूज की है मैंने? Which form of verb I have used? Is it first form, second or third? Second? ओके मैं अब इसको थोड़ा चेंज कर रही हूँ क्योंकि पृथ्वी ने कहा सेकंड है और वो सही भी अपनी जगह, क्योंकि सच्ची सेकंड भी है, ये थर्ड भी है. ठीक है. नाउ आई एम राइटिंग समथिंग. आई हैव स्टोलन मनी. नाउ पृथ्वी नूर प्लीज टेल मी कौन सी फॉर्म है, क्योंकि योर आंसर वाज जस्टिफाइड. आपने सही बोला, सेकंड भी है, थर्ड भी है. नाउ प्लीज टेल मी मैंने तीनों में कौन सी फॉर्म यूज की है. प्लीज लेट मी नो. Okay, paid is the third form, called is the third form, this is the third form. इसकी second form क्या होती है? Stole. Yes. So I have used the third form. In all the three sentences, I have used. Yes. Next is. Has and have plus V3. Has is used with singular. Have is used with plural. And as you know, I and you are the bad words. They will take have. वो हमेशा plural side पे जाएंगे. ठीक है? Saksham Mani, you can ask your question, beta, if you have. Saksham.
मैम ये फेयर पे लिख
Yes,
जो
बेटा.
आप लिखवा रहे हो मैम.
You can better do it in fair so that ये आपके पास हमेशा के लिए saved रहेंगे. आप कभी भी रिवाइज कर लो. You can do in fair.
मैम ये जो आप 3 सेंटेंसेस लिखवा रहे हो ये भी साथ में लिखने हैं फेयर में.
हाँ जी बेटा, लिखने. If you will miss something, you can go back to YouTube and you can just watch the video of today. Okay, next one. अमनप्रीत क्या हो गया बेटा? अगला जो भी है वो आपके लिए न्यू है. मे बी आपने फोर्थ में किया नहीं किया, आई डोंट नो. दैट इज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. देयर इज वन न्यू टेंस. कब किया बेटा? मुझे तो याद नहीं. क्या यूज करते हैं इसमें? ओके, आई विल टेल. नो. Stolening? How is it possible? Now, perfect means I have completed something. Perfect continuous. So maybe you started drawing something yesterday, और वो अभी तक भी आपका काम चल रहा है. Then you will use present perfect continuous tense. Something, no, not at all. Something that we started, but it is not finished yet. अभी तक finish नहीं हुआ वो. Now I am writing. Yes. Well done. Yes. I have been doing this work since yesterday, still I haven't done it. मैंने कल से काम को शुरू किया, अभी तक मेरा फिनिश नहीं हुआ. Then I will use present perfect continuous tense. Yes, I started in the past, but अभी तक मेरा finish नहीं हुआ. Okay? कौन है ये? किसी ने आई थिंक उनको ट्रैफिक पुलिस बन जाना चाहिए. She has been living in Delhi for 2 years. She started living in Delhi. 2 साल पहले उसने रहना शुरू किया था. अभी तक भी she is living there. So the action that we started in past, but it is continued till present. अभी तक भी वो काम चल रहा है. So now make the rule. Online one, online students. Harshika got turn, Sana, Raymond, Ekansh, Saksham. Same students are raising hand. Okay, Ekansh, make the rule.
Ma'am, present perfect tense.
Present perfect continuous, जो आपके बोर्ड पे लिखा है. I'll give you a chance. Give me 1 minute.
Ma'am in continuous ing.
V1 ing. Okay. बेटा sentences को observe करो. और क्या लिखा है मैंने? Has or have, been is fixed, been तो पक्का आना ही है, and V1 ing. And one thing also बेटा, since and for. अब मैंने आपसे पूछना है कि क्या मतलब है इनका. ये भी फिक्स्ड है, ये टेंस में जरूर आएंगे, since और for. So in your exam जैसे आप since या for देखोगे, then you will come to know that this is your present perfect continuous tense और past perfect continuous. मतलब perfect continuous होगा वो. ठीक है? So what is the difference between since and for? Who will tell me? First of all, last क्योंकि आपने hand raise पहले किया था, then Riddhima, then Adnan. Yes. Then for का क्या मतलब है? Here beta, in these two sentences. Since yesterday, for 2 years. इसमें तो कोई चीज किसी को नहीं दे रहे. Yes, Adnan. Since means from 2 years. For भी तब से ये 2 years से. फिर डिफरेंस क्या है दोनों में? Yes, Riddhima. जब से. ओके, जब से, पर फॉर भी यही है 2 साल से. Okay, Raymond, what is your answer? Then I'll ask Gautam. Yes, Raymond.
Ma'am, since is used for days and for is used for long period of time.
For long period of time, what should I have to use with the 2001? Since or for?
Ma'am, since.
Okay, then it is also a long period. Then why I have used since? Okay, Saksham, Mani, please add.
Ma'am, for is used for a very long period.
Okay, beta, 19th century. Okay, 18th century. ये तो very long time है. अब क्या use करूँगी मैं? Still I'm using since. Okay, Saksham.
Since.
Saksham, what is your answer? यस गौतम, गौतम जल्दी से। दोनों में होना बेटा, वो अभी भी डल ही रह रही है, दोनों में सेम है। चलो लेट मी टेल यू अब, ठीक है। निष्ठा लास्ट टाइम ट्राई करो, इसके बाद मैं बताती हूँ, जल्दी बताओ बेटा। Okay, you are close, but you are speaking in Hindi. That's why I will not accept your answer. Okay, since for now, listen, please. I have been doing this work since yesterday. When I started the work, Kal, she has been living there for 2 years. किस ईयर में उसने रहना स्टार्ट किया था? हाउ कैन यू से दैट मैंने अभी का टेंस लिखा था 2020 का? हो सकता है ये बात किसी ने पहले बोली हो। सो हेयर वी नो द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट, हेयर वी नो द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड, हेयर आई डोंट नो द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट। अब एक और एग्जांपल देती हूँ। द बेबी हैज बीन क्राइंग सिंस मंडे, सिंस मॉर्निंग, ज्यादा हो गया, सॉरी। द बेबी हैज बीन क्राइंग सिंस मॉर्निंग। सो व्हेन द चाइल्ड स्टार्टेड क्राइंग, कब उसने स्टार्ट किया? ओके, नेक्स्ट इज द बेबी हैज बीन स्लीपिंग फॉर 2 hours। तो उसने कब सोना स्टार्ट किया? कितने बजे? We don't know the time. So here we know the starting time, but here we don't know the starting time. इसमें हमें सिर्फ ये पता है कि कितनी देर के लिए काम हुआ, जैसे निष्ठा ने बोला हिंदी में। So we know the duration, but here we know the starting point. अब एक क्विकली क्विज हो जाए, मैं आपसे सिंस और फॉर पूछ रही हूँ, ठीक है? Close your notebooks, be honest. She has been living here dash 2010. हृदय प्रीत फर्स्ट आंसर, जल्दी से बेटा।
मैम सिंस।
ओके, नेक्स्ट वन। Speak up loudly.
मैम फॉर।
Okay, for. Okay, beta, I'll meet you tomorrow with past tense. Okay, bye.